SAP S4hana Part 21. What is a purchase requisition and how is it created in SAP A purchase requisition, PR, is a document created in SAP that is used to initiate the procurement process for materials or services required by a department within an organization. It is an internal document that is created by a user within an organization and can be used to request items from an approved list of materials or services. To create a purchase requisition in SAP the following steps need to be followed. Determine the requirements. The department that requires the materials or services needs to identify their requirements and create a list of items required. Create a purchase requisition. The user can create a purchase requisition in SAP by specifying the material or service required, the quantity, and the delivery date. The PR can be routed for approval based on organizational requirements. Release the purchase requisition. Once the purchase requisition has been approved, it can be released in SAP which initiates the procurement process.